Hello everyone, and welcome back to another installment of Wolling Design Group's presented Da Vinci Unified training videos. Today we'll be talking about kitting on orders. In this lesson, we will talk about how to add full kits to line entries of both receiving and shipping orders. Before we continue, be sure to have taken a look at some of these previous videos. To begin this lesson, I'd like to give you a tip that will help in either of these processes in speed and efficiency. When dealing with kits on orders, it helps to know the kit code of the items involved in the orders you are handling. Be sure to have these kit codes prepared. We'll first start our demonstration in receiving. In a scenario where you're receiving full kits into your inventory, Da Vinci allows this process to run as smooth as any other receiving order process. Navigate to receiving orders as you would normally, and begin creating an order, with all the details required and desired to apply. When you've reached the point where you apply line items, click Insert just as you would normally, and when typing in the item code, simply apply that kit code from before, and notice how Da Vinci has no trouble determining the incoming items will be kits. Select your quantities and location, and save. Now that we've covered receiving, let's move into the shipping process. And just as we did before, we will navigate into shipping orders and begin creating an order as we would normally, applying all of our info and moving into line entries. Once it's time for line items, we will insert, and just like with receiving, we will type in that kit code where it says item code, and Da Vinci recognizes our code is to a kit and not just individual items. Apply the quantities and save as you would normally, and that's it. That's all for today's lesson for kitting on orders. Be sure to check back with us for more videos on how to use Da Vinci Unified. And if you have further questions or would like to set up a training session, feel free to contact our support. Or check out our detailed documentation online. Thanks for watching.